Alright, thank you to all my new girls, reviews on files. Welcome and thank you for tuning in. If you guys want to see my September faves, please stay tuned. Alright, so this is my September faves, you guys. I usually don't do September faves. If you guys want to see more September, Lord. If you guys want to see more monthly faves, favorites, please let me know, and I definitely will do it. I just do these on a spur of the moment. I believe the last favorites that I did was a while ago. Okay, so so let me know. Hit the like button if you want more of these. And I'm gonna try to keep this condensed as possible because I've looked over here and I see a lot is going on over here, but I don't think it's too much. I think it's under because I need to that'll probably go in my October faves. Okay, so we're gonna start out with hair. Okay, I will have things here and then I will put things in so you guys could see how it looks and things of that sort with video within a video. So let's start with the locking gel. This is the locking gel that I like. It's Jamaican mango and lime locking gel. Okay, as you guys can see here. All right, you guys know I talked about this a lot. This is what I use to lock my hair. And this is the mango and lime tingle shampoo. I use this shampoo along with the garlic shampoo by Vatica Naturals. I'll put that picture somewhere here in the video. I use both of these at the same time, so I love both of them. So those are my faves. And also, I think that's it for hair. Oh, also, and rose water. I like to spray rose water on my hair. I don't have it with me. I don't know where it is. So I will put a picture of rose water. I always spray all that on my hair like every day or every other day whenever my hair feels dry or looks dry. I know my hair looks dry today. I could not find it. I should just spray water. But I put some olive oil on. Olive oil as well. I like olive oil. And that's another fave, olive oil, because I use it on my body. I use it on my on my hair and things of that sort. So olive oil, that's another oil that I like, just a regular olive oil. I might not show a picture, I'm not sure. And that's basically it about that. So I believe that's it for hair. As far as like another oil, I'll probably use almond oil. So that's another favorite for September. Okay. All right. So let's go into the skin. The skin, I have been using the Dove Sensitive Skin Nourishing Body Wash, sulfate free, softer, smoother skin after one shower. I love this so much. I fell in love with this. I just started using Dove like recently. I do use the deodorant. I know that's probably kind of harmful, but I use it. But I started using this probably a few months ago, I don't know, and I was like, okay, Bill, where I been, so I like it a lot. So this has been in my faves. Okay, also Biore for my face, for my skin, I use the Biore charcoal bar. Okay, that's my faves. I've been using that for a long time, so I'm gonna put that in there. I love the Biore charcoal bar. Okay, so I use that. Also with the hair, go back to the hair, I'm sorry. This is the Restorative Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner. This is the conditioner that I love to use, so I use this. And also apple cider vinegar with the Mother by Bragg's. I like that too, so I definitely put that here as well. So those are my faves for the hair. I know I mixed in skincare, but I totally forgot about that. So yeah, so that's for hair as well. All right, so I think I'm done with the hair. If you guys want to see more of what I use in my hair, definitely go check out the videos linked down below, and you guys will see what I use on my locks. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna get into the makeup. All right, so now we're gonna fall into the makeup. All right, so now we're gonna start off with two foundations. The first foundation is Fenty Beauty. I do have a review on this. I definitely will link it down in the description bar below. This is a 420, I believe. Yes, 420, and this has been a big hype like when it first came out, and it was very hard to get. I don't know if it's still hard to get it now, but when it first came out, it was very hard to get it. They was out of stock for like 2 or 3 months at one point, and that was the time where I broke my pump and I had to wait that long. Okay, so that's basically about that. So yeah, so I use this on an everyday basis. I really do like this a lot. I don't have this on today, but I'm gonna show you what I have on today. But this is my like everyday. I just wear this every day. I really do love it. So yeah, so Fenty Beauty, check my video out down below. It is long, but you'll have fun with it. Believe me, the beginning is crazy. But anyway, I digress. But anyway, All right, so I'll put it down in the description below, put it in the iCard. All right, so this is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, Rockefeller. All right, so this is the full coverage. I did a review on this as well. I'll put it down in the description bar below. This is what I have on my face today, and I do love this. I definitely will put it down in the description bar below. If you guys want to see more in-depth detail of this, you could definitely go check it out, but this has been the winner. I've been using this for ever since I bought it. So yeah, so that's basically about that. All right, so now we're going to move on to for the eyebrows is the e.l.f. Is the e.l.f. Dark brown eyebrow kit. I couldn't even think of it. This is my fave for like forever, so I really do like this a lot. So yeah, so I do have a video on that if you guys want to see that. Also, my Master Camo has the color correcting kit. I love this a lot, so I use this a lot, as you guys can see, and this is what I have been using. So definitely go check this out. I have videos on these, so if I have a video on it, I definitely will link it down below. Okay, all right, so now we're gonna move on to the powder. I love the Bronze Glow by Black Radiance. This is my compact powder that I use for my overall face when I'm done with my foundation, and everything else. And this is the powder that I use to set my makeup. And this is the Black Radiance Warm Berry Blush that I always use. I have been using this for a long time, so that's in the faves. Also, the Milani Glowing. I definitely love this. I use this all the time. I love this as my highlighter. All right. Then we have the Queen CoverGirl Queen Collection concealer. I mean, I made it to a fave because I use it all the time, but I have been reaching for this, so you can say this is a fave / honorable mention. But I've been using this since I have not had my ColourPop concealer. I had to use this, so this is a fave for now. So yeah, so I haven't done a review on this, so if you guys want to see this CoverGirl Queen Collection concealer review, please let me know, and I definitely will do it. And this is my Tortillas mascara. I've been using this for a while. You guys know I love the Maybelline falsies, but I haven't been using it. I've been using this in alternate with other ones, but this is the one I've been using the most, so this is my fave. Okay, the Tortillas. This is on my eyes today. As you guys can see, I don't have any eyelashes on. I have this on. Okay, all right. And concealer, my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I've been using the Chestnut. I've been using this to clean up my eyebrows when I do my eyebrows, so I use this. I used to use the Honey, but I don't use the Honey. Well, I use it sometimes, but I use the Chestnut because it's easier to like blend as opposed to the lighter color. So I use this, and I also use this sometimes to conceal too, depending upon how I feel. All right. And my powder, the Ben Nye Luxury Powder, the Ben Nye and the Topaz. I do have a review on this as well. So if you guys want to go check it out, is this powder and the Topaz. I don't know what other one is, but I definitely will probably put a picture so you guys can see. And this is what it looks like here. This is the banana powder and the Topaz. I will show you the Topaz as well. All right, and these are the setting sprays that I like here. The setting sprays, as you guys can see, the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, and this is the Hard Candy Fast and Fabulous 12 Power Setting Spray. These setting sprays are a bomb. I got this in my BoxyCharm. I bought this from Walmart. So yeah, definitely go check those out. And I do have a review on the setting spray, but not the Cover FX, both of them I do, yeah. All right, and this is the Smashbox Photo Finish. Okay, this is my favorite primer. I love this primer to death. Like, oh my goodness, this is bomb. It don't leave your face feeling dry or anything in the case. I don't think I have a review on this. If you guys want to see a review of this, please let me know, but this is in my faves, okay? All right, so now we're going to move on to the lippies. And the lippies that have been my fave. Oh, I got a whole bunch of them. Okay. All right, so okay, this is a lip gloss. I use this when I'm not wearing makeup, so this is a fave. I've been using this. This is the Victoria's Secret lip gloss Beauty Rush. I don't think they sell these anymore, but yeah. And this is the what is this called? The Laga Cloud Lips. This is the lippy that I wore in one of my videos. I forgot which video it was, but yeah. So I can't open it right now, but yeah. So this is it's a nice like I don't know, it's kind of like this, but not really, but it's not like matte. This is the NYX Butter Gloss. This is the raspberry. So let's get up close a little bit. This is the raspberry here, okay? And this is the butter gloss that I've been using, the Rocky Road chocolates, okay? I use this in one of my videos, okay? And this is the submersive, hold on, this is the This is the NYX Liquid Soy Submersive. This is the purple color. I've been using this before my videos as well. So I remember someone asked me about this, and I told them, and I put it in the description bar below as well. And this is the BH Liquid Lipstick, BH Cosmetics. This is the lippy that I usually wear. This is called yeah, so it's the rouge. I think it's the rouge color. So this is what I be using here. All right, I use those a lot. So those are my faves. And also Stunner, the Rihanna Fenty Beauty Stunner. This is bomb too. Yes, if you want a nice red to pop off your look or what have you, if you're looking for a nice classic red, this is it. Okay, this is it. For real. Okay, and that's it for the lippies. So let's back it on up. Okay, so all right, so we're done with that. And I believe oh, forgot this. Had to go back to the skincare part. Pond's. This is my moisturization for my face. Pond's. I love this moisturizer. I definitely do use this prior to putting on my makeup. Even if I'm not wearing makeup, I'll put it on there anyway. Okay, so that's basically about that. So yeah, so I think that's all of my about to say August, all of my September faves. I don't think I have anything else. I wish I had nail polish, but I haven't been wearing nail polish. Well, last month did I wear nail polish? I'm not sure, but yeah, so that's just basically it about that. If I want to put that in the category, any nail polish in the category, I would say Duvet Rejuvicoat. This is in my faves, Duvet Rejuvicoat. You can find this in Walmart. I was so shocked to find this in Walmart. I purchased from Amazon a while ago. So this is Duvet Rejuvicoat. I do have, I believe, a video on this. If I don't, you know, but I will link it down in the description bar below. So that is like one of my nail polish faves. That's my base coat. I love Duvet Rejuvicoat. Like, that is the best. Very best. Okay, so since I didn't have a color, I wanted to throw that base coat in because I've been using that forever. So that's basically it, you guys. I don't have anything else. Oh yes, one more thing. Palettes. Okay, last thing. Sorry for jumping around, y'all. I was trying to be as organized as I could, but sorry about that. All right, so we have the Aurora lights here. This is the by BH Cosmetics. I did a review on this, and I also did a makeup look with this, so check that out. There's a lot of things I got to check out down in the description bar below, okay? So I'm not going to open it. Y'all go see the video. And this is the crown. I'm going to open it because this was from my BoxyCharm, okay? So these are the neutral colors there. So this is my fave as well. This is crown case, as you guys can see. Oh, sorry. Box of crowns, okay? So I'm not going to open it as well, but this is my favorite palette. Gotta go watch the video. And this is my Morphe 3502 palette. You guys gotta watch the video if you guys want to see what's in here. If you guys are new, those are my palettes for the month, my favorite palettes for the month. And that's just basically it about that. So I don't want to take too much of your time, you guys. I was gonna put some other favorites in, but they could wait till October so I can have something else to talk about. And that's basically about that. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, please hit the like button. Let me know. Let me know what's your faves. Have you tried any of these products? Will you try any of these products? And if so, let me know. If you didn't like none of these products or some of these products, let me know. Let's dialogue down in the description below, y'all. Let's dialogue. You know what I'm saying? Like dialogue. But anyway, that's basically about that. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, visit that. That's Marquina 17. Thanks for watching. Peace. Bye.